Hello, welcome back to Math. Happy Thursday. Today we will understand how to read an analog clock and digital clock. And today our assignment will be on STEM scopes. So we will log into STEM scopes to complete the show what you know to identify analog and digital clocks. And we said this is really important so that we are able to read analog and digital clocks. In the week we discussed how reading a clock is important so that you can be on time for school, right? Yes, so it's super important that you know how to read both types of clocks. Let's go ahead and go over some vocabulary. Our first vocabulary word is hour. So we said that hour is the first number you see whenever you see a digital clock. And also, it's the first number you read when you're telling the time. That is the hour. Next vocabulary word is hour hand. So which one is the hour hand? You got it. The shortest one is the hour hand. Then we have minute hand. So which one is the minute hand? Perfect. This longest hand right here, the longest one is the minute hand, the one in red. Then our next vocabulary word is half hour. So you can see that the clock is divided in half, correct? Yes, so that means it's half hour when the minute hand is on the 6. So when the minute hand is on the 6, that means half hour. So right now it's 12:30. So half hour. Then we have clock. So this is called a clock. So you can see these in schools or in your house. But it has both the minute hand in the red and the hour hand in the blue. Our last vocabulary word is o'clock. So this is what a digital clock looks like. You can see these types of clocks on your iPad or on your parents' phone or sometimes in the car. So we mentioned that o'clock is when you have 2 zeros. So whenever you see the number, which is the hour, and 2 zeros, that means o'clock. So this is 6 o'clock. So the hour is 6. Good. Let's go ahead and practice a little bit more on drawing our clocks. So right here I have my clock that I have drawn. And right here I labeled it clock. So let's go ahead and put on our minute hands and our hour hands. So is the minute hand the longest one or the shortest one? Which one is it? The longest one, correct? So we're going to go ahead and draw it long. So you start from the center little dot and you draw it to where your minute is going to be at, like this. Okay, so this is going to be our minute hand. So I'm going to go ahead and draw an arrow to it and label it minute hand. So which one's our minute hand? This one, our longest one. Perfect. So which one is our hour hand? The shortest one or the longest one? Well, we already have the longest one, so it's the shortest one, correct? So let's go ahead and make it 3 o'clock. So it's going to be a short little baby one. Short little baby hand, like this. So it's our shortest hand, right? yet. So this one, I'm going to go ahead and label it right here. Our hour hand. So we have our hour hand and our minute hand. Okay? Yes? Perfect. Y'all are doing a great job. Let's go ahead and see it in digital form. So I'm going to write the digital form of a time, and we're going to go ahead and try to see if we can put the minute hand and hour hand in the correct place, okay? Let's go ahead and I'm going to put it in this box. And we're going to go ahead and put 9 o'clock. So I put 9 o'clock. Oops, sorry. So I put 9 o'clock. So what do you think our clock is going to look like? Let's go ahead and see. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a clock. It's going to be smaller, but I'm still going to draw. So I'm drawing all of my numbers from 1 all the way through 12. And then a little circle in the middle for our hands. Okay, so we're going to do 9 o'clock. So let's see, what is the hour? So let's label. Which one is the hour? This one, you got it. So let's go ahead and put right here, hour. So this is the hour. Okay, and which one is the minutes? These are the minutes. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and put it minutes. So this is the hour, and these are the minutes, right, on our digital clock. So what is our arrow for our hour look like? Is this the shortest one, or is it the longest one? It's the shortest one. Perfect. So let's go ahead and draw that one first. So which one is our hour? Yes, 9. And our hour hand is the short one. So we're going to draw the short hour hand, pointing to the number 9, like that. It's pointing to the number 9. So let's go ahead and look at our minute hand. So our minute hand is the longest one. So which ones is our minutes? The 2 zeros, right? So we have 2 zeros. And what did we say o'clock looks like on the clock? Where is it pointing when it says o'clock? Or when it has 2 zeros like this? Yes, it is pointing to the 12, right? So when we have 0 minutes like this, or o'clock, it's pointing to the 12. So our minute hand is which one? The longest one. So let's go ahead and draw the longest one at 12 o'clock. Like this. And when you're drawing your clocks, make sure that you draw the long one and then a short one. They can't be the same size. Make sure you draw a long one and a short one. Okay, just like this picture. So right here we have 9, because we have the hour, and then minutes we have o'clock, because we have zeros. So that is represented by the 12. Okay, yes? Okay, so now y'all know how to read the digital form and how to draw your minute hand, which is long, and then your hour hand, which is short. Okay? Yes? So go ahead and go on to STEM Scopes on your iPad. So go to class link, then go to textbooks, then STEM scopes, and go ahead and look for the assignment that says show what you know, and that is your assignment for today. I hope you liked today's lesson. Bye!